Hey, whenever I have gotten married, I have always insisted on two conditions that I will not compromise on no matter what. One is prayer and number two is the veil. Wherever I sent a proposal, I said my wife will observe the veil even from my brothers, her cousins, and my brothers. I cannot spoil my lineage. The lineage won't be spoiled then, because if you bring an unveiled woman into the home, the daughters will follow the mother, not the father. Keep this in mind. Daughters observe their mothers for veiling. If the father is teaching veiling but the mother doesn't do it, the daughter will never veil except by the will of God. I said, brother, we should not ruin our lineage. Right? So number one, no compromise on prayer. One who does not pray is not a Muslim, brother. You can say it 100 times, but the Prophet has not declared him a Muslim. Isn't that right? There will be no compromise on prayer, no compromise on the veil. That's our principle. We may or may not serve in other matters. We will compromise. That's my principle. When I go home, sometimes respect is given, sometimes respect. Say it is not given. Sometimes we went. Is something cooked? No, nothing is made. Didn't feel like cooking. Then I came to the guards room and saw, hey, have you guys cooked something? We have already eaten. Everyone here knows these guards are standing here. They will testify, hey, something is cooked. We have already eaten so much.
So this is going on with us. There's no problem in life, man. What is it?
Then I go and see if there is any bread left, or I order from the hotel. I tell someone, bring something, go and get it from outside. I'm hungry. So this thing about not doing anything at home, not doing this or that, what is this patience? Say small patience. Don't fight and argue over such small things. Yes, if I have said at home that I need food at such and such time, I said it in the morning and the family also promised. Then if it's not found, the mind spins because we are sitting there waiting. Still, it shouldn't spin. It's not such a big issue.
That's why, my brother, in my view, do not compromise on two things: prayer and modesty.
What about everything else? Everything goes, man, everything goes. But people only compromise on two things. They don't compromise on anything else. No, not observing purdah is not an issue. Not observing purdah is not an issue. Okay, I won't allow compromise on this job either. This also falls under purdah. If we will eat whatever is available. I am eat, whether there is food at home or not. I am not saying it is wrong for a wife to work. Many respectable families have wives who are working. They might have their own reasons. I have made it a principle that I will not allow a job, brother. Our tradition in our family is that our women become the adornment of homes, not of offices. Our tradition is there. I'm not talking about halal or haram. Don't bring Islam into this. Tradition also exists, right, brother? Our tradition is that whether we have food or not, our women do not work.